Hello grade 6, this is Mrs. Height, and today we are going to be doing lesson 6-17, making sequences from graphs. This is on page 89 and 90 in your Jump 6.2 book. Your learning target for today is, I can create a table of values and a sequence from a graph. Let's review ordered pairs again. Remember, the x-coordinate is always listed first, the y-coordinate is listed second. You can remember that because it's in alphabetical order. X comes before y in the alphabet. Last lesson, we learned how to change a list of numbers to a set of ordered pairs and then plot those ordered pairs on a graph. Let's quickly review this. In our list of numbers, we have 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Those are our term. That is the y value. You can see them here listed second. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. The first number in the ordered pair refers to the term number. So for example, the first number, the second number, third number, fourth number, and fifth number. Next and final step is once we have our ordered pairs, we can plot them on the graph. Let's take 1, 1 for an example. 1 on the x-axis and 1 on the y-axis meet right here. Our next point, 2, 3. 2 on the x, 3 on the y, meets right there, and so on. Today we are going to start on page 89. Let's read question 1 together. I will let you read the reminder by yourself. 1a says, write a list of ordered pairs for the graph on the right. So this time we are going backwards. We are given a graph and we are going to take the information on the graph and write our list of ordered pairs. So we can see the first ordered pair is done for us. The x value is 1 and the y value is 8. So I'm going to put an x here and a y up here to remind us of the x and y axis. And then remember the ordered pairs are listed with the x value first, followed by the y value. So 1 and 8 is right there, and that one was done for us. All right, let's see our second number when x is equal to 2. You can see that the y value is 6. We'll fill that in our ordered pair. All right, now our third number, or x equals 3, has a y value of 4. So our ordered pair is 3, 4. Now remember, we know that the first number, the x value, always increases by 1. The first number, second number, third number, fourth, and fifth. All right, let's see what y equals when x is 4. It's 2. And when x is 5, this one is sometimes tricky. What is that y value there? That's right, it's 0. All right, let's try B and C, and then you can finish the question by yourself. 1b says, what is the value of the second term? Remember, term is just sort of a fancy way of saying number. So our second number, or term, is 6. What is the value of the fourth term? This 4 here tells us it's referring to the fourth term or number. And that fourth number or term is 2. Please try D, E, and F on your own. Question 2 says, use the graph to write a list of ordered pairs and complete the table. All right, so let's do 2A together. Here's our graph. We are going to make a list of ordered pairs. The first one has been done for us. So remember, the first digit is the x value followed by the y value. So the x is the horizontal axis and the y is the vertical axis. So the x value is 1 and the y value is 2. So we know those x values are increasing by 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Our y value when x equals 2 is 3. That is our second ordered pair. So the term number is 2 and the term is 3. The term numbers will always just increase by 1. All right, when x equals 3, y equals 4. When x equals 4, y equals 5. And you may notice a pattern happening in graph A. I would like you to try B and C on your own. Question 3 says, which sequence in question 2 is decreasing? So I can see the general trend of graph A is increasing, so it's going uphill. Which graph is decreasing or going downhill? All right, question 4. Change the set of ordered pairs into a sequence of numbers. A sequence of numbers, that's a fancy way of saying a list of numbers. So in 4A, if I take a quick glance, I can see that I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers in my list. The first number is 0. The second number is 4. The third number is 8. The fourth number is 12. And finally, the fifth number is 16. So you notice we have 5 numbers in our list. Please try B, C, and D on your own. Question 5 says, 2 patterns are shown. Continue both patterns the same way. The question we are looking to answer is at the bottom. Which pattern will reach a term with a value of 13 first? All right, I will get you started on both, and then I will let you continue to answer that question. Let's start with pattern A. You can notice that the general trend is the same. Both patterns are increasing. However, pattern A has a steeper line. It is increasing more quickly. Let's take a closer look. When x equals 1, I'm going to draw a quick chart. Whoops, that's a little bit crooked. When x is 1, y is 3. When x is 2, oh no, I got too close to the side again. Let me try over here. So when x is 1, y is 3. When x is 2, y is 5. When x is 3, y is 7. All right, so I think you can see a pattern happening with the y values. Each time we see an increase of 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. And that's confirmed with our next value as well. When x is 4, y is 9. So an increase of 2 from 7. So you would expect that our fifth value when x is equal to 5 would be 9 plus 2 is 11. So we expect our fifth value to be 11. And you can see that that falls in line with the pattern. I would like you to keep going until you reach 13 or past 13 with pattern A. Then I would like you to determine the pattern for B. Continue that graph to determine which pattern will reach a term with a value of 13 first. All right, for questions 6 and 7, I plan to get in touch with a couple of you on Microsoft Teams. I will ask you to try number 6 and 7 through Microsoft Teams. But if I don't get in touch with you, please feel free to cross out question 6 and question 7. All right, that's it for today. Have a wonderful day.